potential energy of a dipole in the presence of an external field. Suppose we are having a dipole with charges minus q and plus q, and the direction of dipole moment vector p is from negative to the positive charge. It is shown through the arrow. The angle made by dipole axis with the direction of external electric field be theta. So these arrows shows the direction of external electric field. It is theta. Now suppose the length of dipole is 2a, then the half length will be a, which is from the center of dipole to any of the two charges. Now a dipole is kept in an electric field E, which is shown through the arrows. Then the torque acting is P cross E. We have already studied about it. The torque on a dipole is P cross E. And now an external torque is applied such that it rotates the dipole from angle theta naught to theta 1. That means due to the external torque, the dipole rotates. External torque will act on it because of the external electric field. There will be forces in equal forces in opposite direction at both the ends, which will result in a torque. We know how a torque acts from class 11th. So this torque will rotate the dipole. Let the rotation takes place from angular position theta naught to theta 1. Then if we want to determine the total work done, then it will be tau d theta. Tau external means the external torque, which is P cross E or Pe sin theta. So tau d theta. This is the work done due to the torque, because just like work done is force into displacement, the work done due to torque is torque into angular displacement, that is d theta, and the limits are theta naught to theta 1. We put the value of external torque, that is Pe sin theta, and we have to integrate with respect to d theta. Now the integration of sin theta, Pe is a constant in the situation, and the integration of sin theta d theta is minus cos theta. So minus cos theta, and we put the limits. Upper limit minus because of the integration, minus sign is there. Upper limit cos theta 1 minus lower limit cos theta naught. And if we multiply the minus in the bracket, the signs reverse, and this way we get the expression. Now if we take a specific condition where theta naught is pi by 2, that means the initial angle made with the direction of electric field. Theta is nothing but the angle made by axis of dipole with the direction of electric field. So if its initial value theta naught is pi by 2, that is 90 degree, then cos pi by 2 is 0. So this value will be, the first term will be 0, cos pi by 2, minus, we have taken the second value of theta, that is theta 1 is equal to theta. So we put both the values. Now it's a specific condition. So cos pi by 2 is 0 and minus cos theta. So we have minus Pe cos theta. And Pe cos theta can be written as P dot E. So this is the potential, because work done only is the potential energy, which is minus P dot E or minus Pe cos theta.